Hey fam, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be applying makeup on my freshly dermaplaned skin. Now, if you tuned into my last video, you know that I attempted to dermaplane my own face for the very first time. First with a tool that I thought was going to be good, okay, because it was made specifically for a dermaplaning. It ended up not being that good, so I just switched over to a little handy dandy, very sharp Revlon eyebrow razor, and I really loved the results that it gave me. I did not break out. I woke up and my skin was on glow, honey. I mean, for the most part, my skin pretty much stays on glow, honey. She stays on smooth. She stays on exfoliated. But dermaplaning just gave my skin an even more smooth baby bottom booty glow. Like, honey, my face is hairless. And so I'm very excited to see how my makeup will just glide on to my baby bottom smooth skin. I think this will be very relaxing, therapeutic, and satisfying, okay? Because you guys already love watching me apply my base, but I think today, honey, is gonna take it to a whole nother level. So without further congé, if you are interested in tuning into today's video where I will be applying my base routine on my freshly dermaplaned skin, then subscribe to my channel. If you are not already subscribed, tap that bell so you will be notified when I upload either Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday here on this channel. And stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so I zoomed in a little closer for you guys so you can really see how my skin looks up close. Like, wow. It looks even more clear. It looks very glowy, very supple. Like, I am so excited. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to apply this Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. Whoa! I am so excited to see this glide onto my skin. Listen, don't you be clocking my nails, honey. Okay, I'm gonna get some press-ons real quick. It's okay, I know my nails stay undone. Don't come for them. We not focused on the nails today. Okay, y'all, let's see how this just... Oh my gosh, my skin is so soft. It's just gliding right on. Someone said they like the sound of my voice when I'm not trying to do too much. So maybe I will just talk in a very soothing tone in today's video. Oh yeah, this is gliding right on. This feels so... good. All right, now let's glide this Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Hydrating Primer on the outer perimeter of our face. This is going to look so luxurious. Like, let's just, yes. Just glide right on, girl. Glide right on. Just, my face is so soft. Okay, I'm definitely going to incorporate dermaplaning into my regular routine. How often do you guys dermaplane? If you do, let me know. Wow, it's just... First of all, this primer is already luxurious, but it's just gliding on like a dream. I just want to touch my face all day. Now, I always forget to do this. Like, it's always in front of my face when I do my makeup, but I always forget to do it. I'm going to take this Milani strobe light. It's so beautiful. I always use this on my minimal makeup days when I'm out enjoying my Saturday or Sunday. It's just so... Woo! Ooh, that's way too much. It's okay. I'm just keep it on the cheekbones. Oh yeah, this is gliding on. I put too much, you all. I swear I'm so heavy-handed. Anyways, let's just place this right on the cheekbones so we can glow underneath our makeup. This is so beautiful on the skin, especially when you just don't want to do too much with your skin, but you just want to glow. This is a great product. Milani makes some good makeup, okay? They have not missed a beat in a while. This is the area of my face I really wanted the hair to be gone because there's always hair on my cheek. It's not like it's a lot, it's not noticeable. It's just I just wanted the highlight to glide on this part of my face. And I'm also going to apply this cream blush by CoverGirl. It's so beautiful on the skin. We're going to apply that on our cheeks as well. Apply that underneath. But we're still going to apply foundation on top. I just want to see how this is going to actually look. Since the hair is not in the way this time. This probably looks crazy, y'all. Don't worry. Because foundation going over top of it. Anywho, I even have a new concealer from Too Faced that I want to try today as well. Now, I haven't used this foundation in a while, but I'm going to use my Nars Sheer Glow foundation. I use the shade Tahoe. All right, I'm going to take my little black beauty blender and woo! Yes, wow. It looks like butter. Look at how smooth that is, y'all. It's gliding on like a dream, honey. That looks so good. Wow. Wow, that is so smooth, y'all. Facetune Hudo. Gliding on like a dream. This foundation has good coverage. This is gliding on like a dream. Put it on my smooth forehead. A whole nother level of smooth, honey. Alright, I have this new concealer from Too Faced. It's the Peach Perfect Instant Coverage Concealer. They sent me the shade Peanut Butter. I did not pick this shade out. I guess they picked it out for me. Let's see what it looks like. This is the packaging, the little jar. And this is the color. So this is very close to my skin. So I'll use that to conceal, but not highlight. It's not a highlighting shade. Let me scrape this out real quick though. Let me scrape it out the jar. It smells peachy. Oh, this thick. Actually, I might apply this with my finger. Let's apply this with my finger. This will be our concealing shade. It says it's matte and it locks in place, so we gonna see. I like the consistency of this. Nice and creamy. Now let's blend this in. Get our eyes. This blends in like a dream. Wow, I am baby bottom smooth. I damn near won't even need to edit my photos. I'ma look that good. Now I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Golden Beige, and this is the shade I'm gonna use to highlight. So I'm putting this right on the perimeter, right on my cheek. This brings more youth to my face. I like the way this looks. A light shade right up under my eye. It just does not photograph well. Like, I was looking back at photos and I was like, ooh, girl, it makes me look older. And then I'm taking the shade Chai to Bronze Tour. I done stepped on my base routine another notch. Just seeing creams blend in, so satisfying. What did somebody say? I feel like somebody said lethargic, but I feel like that word sounds wrong. Is that the word though? Someone said your base routine is so lethargic. I'm gonna have to look that up. I feel like I'm saying the wrong word, but then also it sounds right at the same time. I want to retry Fenty Beauty's matchsticks. I look dumb smooth though. Like, the place where I always have hair though is literally around my whole entire mouth. So this should look smooth. Even my nose is smooth. Get the sides. All right, lastly, this outer layer. My favorite part. Then we go see how setting powder is gonna look on top of this, but this looks, this looks so good. Blend the two together so they marry beautifully. Girl, I look snatched, okay? This is a whole nother level of smooth. Like, I mean, I was looking smooth before, but baby, is this a whole different level of baby bottom smooth. This is glass skin. All right, y'all pretty much know the drill. Next, I'm gonna take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. This is in dark tan. And just to accentuate the bronze tour even further, I dab this onto wet skin. Get it right under my cheek because it just scopes the cheek so beautifully. Makes me look snatched. Go back in with your sponge. If I did client's face still, I mean, occasionally I do, I would dermaplane their whole face before I even started. But I know you gotta be an esthetician for that though. But hey, if they trust me, let's do it though. Let's do it. Let's get it done. Do the right under that cheek. Blend this out. Blend it together. And we are ready to apply some setting powder. I'm applying my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Banana Bread. Let's see how setting powder looks. Blend out these loins. Press it in, press it in. Let it all melt in. I'm so stupid. Press it in, press it in. Let it all mat out. Oh yeah, this melts in like a dream. I love this powder. It's like I don't even want to try new powders because this one just does what I like. This new Too Faced concealer does not have bad either. She look good. Let's get our chin. Clock that nose, of course. Let her sit for a little bit. Let's get this forehead. My head wrap be going through it. I be getting it caked up in makeup. Ooh, shit, that rhymes. Okay. Hair really be stopping you from being great, okay? Cause wow, my face ain't never been this great before. The hair was stopping my flow. Let's get these lids together. Whew. A canvas, but we ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. Now I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm in the shade NC45. And we are just going to lightly press that into the rest of our face. She's smooth. And now I'm going into the tan Too Faced Born This Way Turn Up the Light palette. I'm using this shade and that shade actually. But first I'm taking the soft focus shade and I'm just focusing that where I bronze toward. It just softens it up even further. I've been using this in like the past few videos. It's just a beautiful powder. You can use this all over your face as well. I just like to soften up my bronze tour because I like everything just to be softly focused. Ooh, my nose contour a little intense though, is it not? Then I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's Cocoa Naughty and I'm just going to apply that on my jaw to clock my double chin because she's trying to look chiseled. I feel so hydrated, like my skin feels so good. Usually it would feel a little dry at this part, but it's on. It's on. Now I'm just taking a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. I love the way this smells. Like, I'm gonna mix both of the Dazzle shades. This is tan and the medium palette. This highlight is so subtle and pretty. I'm just gonna keep those right on the high points. It just literally looks like you're glowing from within. Such a healthy, beautiful glow. Yes, y'all see that? It just looks so soft, so subtle. The light just follows you. Okay, my man need to go ahead and call me up and take me out for drinks, okay? On a date or something, because this face looks too good to sit in the house. No ma'am, take me out. Is anybody else talking about these palettes? Because Too Faced did they doggone thing with it. Just a little bit more just to grace the brow bone. Grace that brow bone, honey. My brows look good today. The fuck? Oh my gosh. Grace the brow bone. This is basically my everyday makeup routine. Not that I wear it every day, but it's just my go-to. All right, lastly, to finish off the complexion, I'm gonna apply this Buxom Wonderlust Primer Infused Blush. This one is in the shade Mykonos. And we're just going to apply that on the apples of the cheek, over top of the highlight, over top of the bronze tour, to marry all of those three together for a completed cheek. I keep the bulk of the blush pigment like right here. And then I blend it up, okay? Then I blend it over top, and then I diffuse it out right here. Keep the pigment right here, and then blend it up. Blend it out. All right, let me go ahead and apply some lashes, because I'm not applying eyeshadow today, and a lip, and see this full Dermaplaned application beat. All right, y'all, so this is the completed makeup look on Dermaplaned skin, baby. Do I look unclockable? Do I look smooth? I'm wearing the Tati Lashes TL7 style, and then my lip, because I know y'all finna ask. It is Wedding Day by Huda Beauty, mixed in with just a little bit of this brown liner. It's honestly for your eyes. I don't own any brown lip liners that I like, I have to go out and seek some. But you know, that's the lip and that's the lash. These lashes are actually pretty. They're like pretty flirty. They're nice and fluffy. I like them. I will definitely start incorporating dermaplaning into like maybe a monthly routine. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how fast the hair grows back, how fast the peach fuzz grows back. But I can't turn back no more. I can't turn back now. Now that I know how smooth my skin looks, how smooth the makeup applies, how buttery it just glided onto my skin, there's nothing else like it. Okay, makeup baby, I probably won't even need to edit my photos. It looks so good. Like, I know I always gotta shave my lip like once a week because she be growing back thick and fast, girl. Like, damn. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here and this is the first time being on my channel and seeing my face, I would love to see you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel and join me and the honeys, honey. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see y'all in my next upload. Bye.